Strawberry.
Hi, I'm Blueberry.
And we are I will be eating. Why are you eating already, bro?
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh my days.
With me?
Oh my
Two.
god.
Coffee.
Okay, here. I'm eating. Just eat it. It's okay. It's so yummy.
Maybe that's the corner.
Let's hope they put me.
But I need to get some more.
No, you don't need to get it. This is gonna be a short video.
Is it?
It is.
I just don't think